Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a video on achieving like a blonde, not like a blonde, but like a frosty ash. So this is the developer, amazing. But first I gotta bleach it because obviously my hair is very dark. I'm gonna go on with Prism Lights. Let me show you. Prism Lights, the blue. It lightens up to like 5 levels. So, and the blue one's better than the purple if you have like darker hair. The developer I'm gonna be using, first you're gonna need is a bowl and a brush. Obviously your powder and your developer. Alright. So I'm gonna use like half the pack. I don't need that much. And then you're gonna mix it until it has like that mayonnaise consistency. So now it's like this, which is what you want, like a thick consistency. Mayonnaise. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 20 more minutes because this shit is actually really blonde and it's only been like 10 minutes. This is how it looks. The back too, so that caught it. Thank God. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start my second process. But anyways, this is the shampoo I use. This is Tea Tree special shampoo and it's so good, like it's so good. So this is what it's called. It's from Paul Mitchell. This is my fucked up bottle, but it's actually really good. So I'm using the rest of my packet of bleach and I got another one obviously just in case. So I'm just eyeing it. So we're gonna see how it looks when I come back. Okay. So that's how white it is. Or how pale it is. Okay guys, so look at that. Super, super yellow. Like super duper yellow. That is really, really pretty. Let's see if it comes back. Yep. So this is how it looks. That's how that looks. So Frosty Ash is our color. If you want to get that, this shit is not focusing. So this is the color if you want to. So once again, I don't have that much hair, so I'm going to use half the bottle and half the amount of developer. This, I'm just winging it. Just some developer, and it should look like a gelatin consistency. So I'm mixing it and it should form into like gelatin. If it's still liquidy, then you obviously still need developer. Then So that's how it looks. See, it's jelly, literally. Okay guys, so I just washed, I still got one on me. I just washed and conditioned my hair. So this is what it's peeking at right now. So everything I do, like when I unravel my hair and everything, I do it with like to show you guys. So I don't know how it looks yet, you know? So we're gonna see. Really nice. That is a really nice color. So this is how it looks. These are the end results, and I just love it. Like, I'm loving it. Love it. I'm gonna do my makeup and get all cute as shit. So bye guys, thanks for watching.